Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday I explained you calculation of goodwill, valuation of goodwill by super profit method. Today, in continuation, I will explain you calculation of goodwill by capitalization method. And in capitalization method, there are two ways. First is by average profit method, and another one is by super profit method. The formula will be same. Formula will be goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by capitalization of super profit into number of years of purchase. And in average profit method, formula will be goodwill is equal to capitalized value minus capital employed. Capital employed was explained to you yesterday. Capital employed is fixed assets plus current assets minus outside liabilities, or capital employed can also be calculated capital plus reserves plus accumulated profits. Also, capital employed can be calculated by total assets minus intangible assets and fictitious assets minus outside liabilities. So that same we have to use here also. That is why I have explained it once again. Now to start with average profit method. First of all, average profit earned by a firm during the past 2 years, 3 years or 4 years will be calculated. And when we calculate average profit, or we know the average profit of a firm, it is very easy to calculate the capitalized value of that average profit. Capitalized value of that average profit means, suppose a firm earns 50,000 as an average profit per year, and the normal rate of return is 10%. A firm is earning 50,000 regularly on regular basis, and the normal rate of return is 10%. So we can very easily calculate the capital which would have been invested, which the firm has invested in the business to earn that profit by this formula. So the capitalized value will be average profit, that is 50,000 multiplied by 100 upon normal rate of return. 100 upon normal rate of return, that is 10. So capitalized value will be 5 lakh rupees. Means to say, if 5 lakh is invested with normal rate of return 10%, a firm will earn 50,000. So when we know the capitalized value of average profit, that is here 5 lakh rupees, we will compare this 5 lakh rupees with the capital actually employed in the business. And it is very imperative to know that if the actual capital employed in the business is less than 5 lakh, that is goodwill. That will be goodwill. But if the actual capital employed is equal to this or less than this, more than this, then means the firm is not doing something very abnormal in the sense positive. Firm is not doing anything in surplus. Firm is not earning anything. Firm has not gained anything in comparison to the capital employed. Therefore, if the capital employed is less and the capitalized value is more, goodwill is equal to capitalized value minus capital employed. This is the formula to calculate goodwill by average profit method under capitalization method. Number 2, calculation of goodwill by super profit method, because the formula to calculate super profit is already explained, so same applies for capitalization method also. First, you will calculate super profit, then you will calculate capitalized value of super profit. Capitalized value of super profit is super profit into 100 upon normal rate of, and once the capitalized value is calculated, the super profit is calculated, it is very easy to calculate goodwill. You just go through the illustrations. Formula will be goodwill into super profit, capitalized value of super profit into number of years of purchase. In case of any doubt, queries, feel free to ask me. If it is not clear, then I will explain you separately in the next lecture, as you will ask me in your queries or in other ways when you go through the numericals. If there is any doubt, please feel free to ask. These are the three methods of calculation of goodwill: average profit, super profit, and capitalization method. I hope you have understood. I hope you are doing your assignments. I hope you are staying at home and doing your work in silence. You are helping each other. You are helping us